What's new in CloudBees CI 2.492.1.3? On February 5th, 2025, CloudBees CI 2.492.1.3 was released. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the changes in that release. Also on February 5th, Jenkins LTS 2.492.1 was released. On February 6th, I did a video with Mark Waite talking about all the changes that occurred in that release. The link to that video is down in the description. Now, if you've never taken a look at the release notes for CloudBees CI before, let me show you how to get there. We're starting at docs.cloudbees.com. Under the documentation top nav, we're going to click on CloudBees CI, and then under the documentation dropdown, we're going to select release notes. And now we're on the release notes page for CloudBees CI. Now, before we take a look at the release notes, I want to call out one thing here. If we take a look at the important block, if you skip versions when you upgrade, refer to previous versions of the release notes for any relevant known issues or upgrade notes. What does that mean? Again, the current release is 2.492.1.3. Let's say we're upgrading from 2.479.3.1. We would need to take a look at the release notes for 479.3.1, for 479.3.2, and also the release notes for 492.1.3, taking a look at known issues, upgrade notes, everything to make sure we're covering anything as we go through that upgrade process. As a CloudBees CI client, we recommend an assisted update to help with that upgrade process. There is a link down in the description about how to get help with an assisted update. Again, our version right now is 2.492.1.3. We're going to take a look at the release notes for CloudBees CI for traditional platforms first, and then we'll take a look at CloudBees CI for modern cloud platforms. So we go ahead and click into the release notes. First off, we're going to see that there is a security advisory associated with this release. Let's go and take a look at that. What we'll see in this security advisory is there were a couple of missing permissions for HA controllers and for the unified data plugin. Again, this is CloudBees CI only and not related to Jenkins LTS. If we go back over to our release notes, what we'll see here is we had a few new feature enhancements. We had two enhancements specifically for Trigger Remote Job. These changes help expand how Trigger Remote Job works with high availability controllers. If we go ahead and scroll down some more, we can see the Pipeline Build Step plugin is no longer required by the CloudBees Pipeline Explorer. And then finally, a few more high availability enhancements. Let's go ahead and scroll down into the resolved issue section. There were a number of high availability resolved issues, along with a handful of miscellaneous other resolved issues. Let's go ahead and go over into our release notes for modern cloud platforms. So we'll click back, we'll go into release notes for modern cloud platforms, and the key difference between traditional platforms and modern cloud platforms for this release is the new feature that CloudBees CI for modern cloud platforms is now supported on Kubernetes 1.31. Also with this release, as called out in the note, the minimum supported version for Kubernetes is 1.27. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us on X at CloudBees. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to CloudBees TV yet, why not? Take a moment, click on the subscribe button, and ring that bell, and you'll be notified anytime there's new content available on CloudBees TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.